We're
Welcome
back.
back.
We're in quarantine again.
Yay, I'm happy.
Oh, wait, that's the phone.
Yeah, but we don't have to get it.
Okay, so since this is our first video back, we decided to do something super simple, very easy, and
But
delicious.
Favorite summer dish.
Yes.
Favorite best.
Fresh from the garden.
Yay.
So, Michelle?
You want to cut or shall
You
I? All we're doing is slicing tomatoes. Fresh from the garden. If you know anyone who has fresh tomatoes from the garden, then go and get them and slice them quickly, easily, but carefully.
Always carefully.
Always carefully, always lovingly. All you do is that. Okay, next, Lily.
Olive oil.
Good olive oil.
And you're gonna drizzle it. Be generous too, you know.
Yeah.
Voila.
A little bit of salt. Now, Luch likes finely ground salt, and Michele likes rock salt, salty salt.
And since we're probably going to eat it,
As usual.
we're
Yes.
going to have rock salt.
And then
One is for garnish.
right, this
This
is,
one can be
which one?
This one's for
Oh,
garnish. It's
okay.
pretty.
And then we're just going to slice up very gently a little bit of basil, or a lot,
Fresh.
depending on what you like, because everything is fresh now, and we can get things
Pepper.
only if you want.
I like.
Look, fresh basil there.
Just a
bit
little
of pepper,
bit because I like pepper.
How about oregano?
only if you want. Do you want oregano?
You can. Should I
You
get some oregano?
Okay, dried oregano. Sprinkle on a little bit of oregano.
Voila. And there you have it. Our first, well, second
Well, first.
season.
Right.
This is second season.
Right.
Welcome back
To quarantine. And make sure you have lots of bread to dip
Yeah.
and enjoy. Okay.
About who's watching, 'cause we know that the clock ain't stopping